One day, a merchant started building a temple near some trees on the outskirts of town. Every day, the carpenters and workmen would stop work and go into the nearby town for their midday meal. One day, a troop of wandering monkeys arrived on the scene. The monkeys started playing in the trees without a care in the world. It was time for lunch, so one of the workers, who was in the middle of sawing a log, put a wedge in it to prevent the log from closing up, and off they went to the town. One of the monkeys saw the partly sawn log of wood with the wedge in it. Curious to know what it was, he began tugging furiously at the wedge. All of a sudden, the wedge popped out. The gap closed up and trapped the monkey's leg. Try as he might, he could not free himself, and the poor monkey died. The moral of this story is, do not meddle in